We said it will be bold. We said it will be breathtaking. Now we are just a few steps away from proving it. Welcome to Harmonia Residence, a masterpiece in motion, now entering its final stage. And trust me, it's been worth every moment of the wait. Musofa Yahaya, and I'm a senior property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. We are here to have our construction update report for May 2025 at Harmonia Residence, Airport West. Hi, Engineer Mahmoud.
Hi, Mashufa. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you too?
Oh, thank God. I'm fine.
I see so many finishing touches.
Yes, now we are on the finishing works. As you know, we are doing a lot of works here to be done very soon. So if we can say it, we start doing the tilings, we almost reached 90%. At the same time, you can see the painting 90% also done. Plasterboard, another 85 to 90% done. We fix all the internals door, and at the same time, we're doing the windows and the external doors. We reach almost 90%. We are at the top doing the last floors, 15 and 16, and the roofing at the same time. We are focusing on the swimming pool area. We've done like 50%. At the mezzanine and the ground floor, we've done the block works, and we are doing the secreting, and we're doing the plastering. We start doing the NEB, the face fix. For all the apartments, we've done almost 90% of the NEB fix. If you go inside the rooms, you can see the kitchens and all the accessories has been done like 60%. If we need to go outside of the building, you can see the external works, the facade work. We've done like 90% of the percentage of the alucobond. At the same time, we're doing the polystyrene glass. We almost done like 90%. As for the painting, also for the external paint, we reach up to 90-95% for all the building.
Obviously, with all these updates you've given me, I mean, our homeowners should be getting
we are very close for the last step. We are very close, so it will be very soon.
Very soon. All right. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you for coming, and you will come again.
The wait is almost over. Harmonia Residence is no longer coming. It's finally here. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media platforms. See you in our next update.